Learn how to make delicious crispy chicken kebabs using two different cooking methods, air frying and pan frying. Hey guys, welcome to my channel. This is Shirley. Pros and cons. Pan fried kebabs offer a traditional and robust flavor, while air fried kebabs provide a healthier and convenient option. Ultimately, the choice between pan fried and air fried chicken kebabs boils down to personal preference and desired outcome. Hey guys, do try out these recipes and experiment with different seasonings and share your experience as well. Don't forget to subscribe for more mouth-watering recipes and cooking tips. Happy cooking, and this is Shirley signing off from Shirl's Kitchen.